Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
When I was 30, that compared to my baby and nobody came between us, so could ever come up.
Let's start. Open any editing application. I use CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your one photo and 26 other photos of who you love. Now select Format 916 and adjust your all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now select all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Choose font and style, then place. Now trim the text layers and then listen to the song and add another text from that point. Apply text layer till the first photo. Now apply animation to the last photo. Tap on photo, go to animation then combo, and apply distort right effect. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.